my channel, and of course, as always, thank you so much for joining us today. Today we will be doing a Christmas cookie decorating challenge. That was definitely a mouthful, but yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. 3 rounds. We each picked out our own style of like cookie cutters that we got at Target. Plug Target. Just kidding, but yeah, so we're gonna be using those, and we have some pictures, and we're just gonna try to see if we can get the closest. This is a friendly competition. It's a friendly competition. Okay, fine, whatever. It's a friendly competition with me, myself, and I, and he's just here to win, apparently. Please stop pushing me out of the frame. It hasn't even started yet, sir. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to jump right into it. We have some cookie dough. Hayden picked out this cookie dough. It's the Reese's Pieces cookie dough. I don't know, it's Reese's peanut butter cookie dough, okay?
Just peanut butter cookies.
But yeah, anyway, if you don't like it, if you think it's gross,
the best kind of cookies.
Talk to Hayden about it, because he's the one who picked it. So he loves peanut butter like everything. Okay, so while Hayden's getting the scissors, I just want to put in a self-promo. I'm gonna win. Support me, Team Victoria, right now. Before we get into it, I'm starting my own team. Comment down below if you're on my team, because I'm going to win.
This proves that she will not win because she thinks that she needs a team to win. Well, meanwhile, I will do it on my own.
Why can't I just have a team just because I feel like it's nice to be united with a group of people? It's the holiday season, so.
Cookies.
Wow, these look so weird. They're all tiny. Look at them. Like a tiny little cookie.
That's what majesty looks like.
These 4, how are we gonna do this? We didn't buy a roller, so are we just...
Use your hands.
Play-Doh.
You were in the middle of the screen.
Cookie dough, Play-Doh. Wow, this is like oddly satisfying.
Hey, focus.
I'm just saying, I might need another.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Boom.
Look at you.
I have flattened it. I was the first to flatten.
What? It's not a race to flatten.
It was a race. She's already trying to sabotage me.
I needed a thick cookie.
You don't need a thick cookie.
I needed a thick cookie.
You a thick cookie.
Ooh,
No,
you think I'm
no.
thick?
No.
Ah!
This is not a cooking show. Clearly,
No.
we do not know that much about cooking.
I know more about cooking than he does.
Who cooks dinner most of the time?
Because I'm lazy. It's not because I can't cook. It's just because I don't feel like it.
Because she chooses not to.
It's because I choose not to. And he's way too nice to me when I'm being lazy, so whose fault is that?
Apparently it's not.
Yeah, it is. You shouldn't
Speaking
be so
of
nice
being
to me.
nice, I said some things in the last video that hurt some people's feelings,
Yeah, you did.
and I would like to deeply apologize to those people on the internet.
On the internet.
I love my mother. She is the best mom anybody could ask for. She has always been there for me. I don't have an easy life. I know you guys don't really know me that much. But I do have type 1 diabetes, and she was there from when I got it. She drove down to the hospital right after I called her, and she's been there for me ever since, and I love her, and I always will. So, I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
I'm going to use a spatula to get mine off. So it doesn't...
Yeah, you don't want it messed up. You know.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's not coming off.
That's beautiful.
Good luck getting it off of this stupid cutting board. What's wrong with my ginger ring?
You cut his head off.
Hey, you took my spatula.
We have one spatula.
It was my idea to use the spatula.
I get my own spatula.
Get your own spatula. Trying to cheat? This is my spatula. It was my idea that came from my brain. Team Victoria for the win. Because we have the spatula and he has whatever the bowl scooper that is. Yeah. Moving on
Oh.
from what he was saying.
She didn't tell me you guys were commenting on our post.
Yeah.
And so,
Our posts, our videos.
our videos until literally earlier today.
Because I didn't think he needed to know. Also, like, YouTube is public. It's public, so you could literally, like, go watch it. Because you haven't even watched our last video, have you? Yeah.
I was there.
Doesn't mean you don't get to not watch it. I watch it every single time I edit it 50 times in a row.
Aaron doesn't listen to our podcast.
I mean, but
You don't listen to our podcast.
No, I listen to the podcast. I totally listen to the podcast. Every single time you post a new podcast, I'm gonna stop lying.
There are 3 of us on this podcast.
Yes. The podcast is always linked down below, so if you guys want to hear us
Talk about things that are completely unrelated to whatever you just watched.
Yeah. We have a podcast, and it's always linked down below. But yeah, continue what you were saying.
And apparently I'm the only one that listens to it after we're done talking.
I'm gonna stick these in the oven now so that they can cook and become cookies.
They look real nice.
They do. Stop. Oh wow, that's so rude. Look at your jinkies. They grew together. My gingerbread man doesn't look that bad.
He's a thick boy.
He's a thick boy, but my llama doesn't look like a llama.
It's a
but...
sock.
And then Hayden's random.
That came together nice.
That's so weird and looking. Like, what's going on with his booty?
Look at it from this way, though.
What's going
Look at
on?
it from this way. That's a reindeer.
He's
thick. He hadn't run much. But that's a reindeer.
Are you saying he's like Rudolph the thick-nosed reindeer?
Pretty much.
Okay. Well, this looks great, right?
He's a baller.
He's a baller?
Yeah.
What? He doesn't work out. How is he a baller?
He's not as bad as Santa. Santa looks like one of those guys from Wall-E.
Okay, but Santa's meant to be thick. Like, have you ever seen Santa before?
Santa's supposed to be thick, but he ain't supposed to be round.
Okay. Santa can be whatever Santa wants to be. We're going to be happy about it.
Santa looks like a ball.
Your dog doesn't even look like that.
I've seen dogs that look like that. Miles, come over here.
Oh, jeez. Well,
come model for us.
your ornament looks stupid. Look at the top of it. It's dumb.
It looks exactly like an ornament.
It looks exactly
like an ornament.
It's a dumb ornament. Look at my gingerbread man.
There's no thigh gap.
My gingerbread man is waving. Look at that artist.
He barely has any arms.
Whatever. My gingerbread man is thick, okay? We've been over it. It's whatever, okay? Anywho, we're just gonna start round one because I'm going to... Yeah, round one is going to be Mr. Gingerbread Man himself and all of his thick glory going up against this stupid ornament.
It's a beautiful ornament.
You can put it in the frame. It's ugly. So, yeah. Now that we're off to a good start, we're going to decorate these, and I'm going to win. We both have pictures that we're trying to, like, mimic or get as close to as we possibly can. So,
We're not professional.
we're not.
I'm watched some videos.
You watched some videos.
And to make it smooth, they were using like some sort of like little needle thing. So I have a cake tester here. So I'm gonna see if it works.
We shall see if this works. I think he's gonna fail. Team Victoria! Alright, so now we're officially done because he finished whatever he was doing. I don't even know. But we put the final touches on our cookies and this is what they're looking like. So, if you think that we did a good job at trying to get them as close as possible to our people or whatever, comment down below like who you think did the best job. I think my cookie looks great. It kind of looks like the fat stepbrother. I'm not gonna lie, but I put a lot of heart into it to vote for Team Victoria.
It looks like the Joker a little bit.
It does not. It has a little mask on it because I thought it was appropriate for the time.
No, it's Frankenstein.
No,
It's Frankenstein,
it's
guys.
a mask.
But it's Frankenstein's monster. Sorry.
My gingerbread man is cute.
Now I understand that you put heart into it, and that's good. And
Listen
you
here.
really want it, but that's not why we're here. We're here to try to get as close to the picture as possible, and I guess mine is as close to the picture as possible.
No, mine has a lot of accurate. Mine is the closest. Mine is accurate.
Yours is a gingerbread man with little lines on it and a mask.
Whatever. We're gonna move on to round 2.
Round 2.
Ooh, that looks trash. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Look at that, the tail. That's what I'm talking about.
I think I'm gonna.
You're not gonna win. You're not gonna win. Alright, so we have just finished round 2. That took way too long, if I'm being honest. Okay, he just rushes through, and I'm very meticulous about what I do. We're gonna show you guys what these look like now, and please be kind.
Take this into your consideration for the final vote.
Yes. So this is what they're looking like. I think that mine turned out to be pretty close, but you know, just say what you're gonna say. Leave a comment down below. Tell us how you feel. And like, Hings is supposed to be a reindeer. That's what it's supposed to be. He says that's what it is. So
We didn't have any brown.
I'm just saying. But yeah, so that's Hings. And yeah, so I mean, like, for us voting on each other, who do you think won?
Me.
No, it was me. It was totally me. See, this
Why
is
did you even ask?
this is why we need you guys to comment down below, because between the two of us, like, there's no one else here to say anything, to come in between us. So comment down below that you like Victoria's more.
You have an opinion. And the right answer is right here.
Sir. Okay, anyway, so yeah, we're gonna move on to round 3 now. We will be doing Santa versus dog.
A dog.
Not just any dog though. The muses.
Miles.
No.
Look at him go. Look,
Are you ready, Miles, to become this dog?
this dog is gonna be you.
Yeah, this dog, you are gonna be the dog.
I'm excited.
I'm excited
Let's do this.
to whoop your butt with my Santa. Just start.
That's traumatic. Alright, Miles.
What is that?
That's his nose!
Ow, yes, I saw.
Make fun of his nose.
I'm ready. Okay, so round 3 is complete. Done. That is time. We didn't ever have a timer for this. I just wanted to say it. But anywho, so round 3 is complete. I honestly think this was my best round. Like,
Me too.
looking at all my cookies, I think we like progressively got better as time went on. So, this is my Santa. He's a waving Santa. No, he doesn't have eyes, and I don't care.
Miles. So this is the dog he did. And this is the my. Oh, Dabu. Hi, Miles. Hi, Miles. Hi. But yeah, so here's his dog.
So, you guys tell us in the comments who did the best. Was it Team Victoria? Or was it, I don't know, you never came up with a team name. This dude. Do you think this dude did good?
I'll take this dude.
Cool. So please leave a comment down below on who you guys liked. Thank you so much for watching this video. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, hit that ring-a-ding-ding button, and of course, please subscribe. That way you can support this channel, keep coming back and following along with me on this journey. So, of course, thank you guys again so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you later. Bye!